So today we are here to learn about the different type of napkins, fold that are used in different kind of meal time, right? First, we should know what type of napkin fabric should be used in industry. We will always use Bombay dyeing cloth, that is called damask, which is printed over here. You can see, right? These are the lines, जो कि printed flowers embodied inside the napkins, right?
Yes, sir.
Which are not embroidered, which is already weaving along with the whole yarn. In French, napkin we call serviette. We call serviette. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
For the breakfast, we are using 12 inches into 12 inches size of the napkin.
Yes, sir.
And for the lunch, napkin size should be 18 inches into 18 inches. And for the dinner, napkin size should be 20 into 20 inches. Got it? The important point is whenever you are preparing any kind of napkin fold, the napkin size should be square in shape. Should be square in shape. Then you will make a proper napkin fold. Right? Let's check how it is prepared. This is the whole napkin. We will make it half. 1 into 2. We are making it half. There is a 2 sides and there is a 1 side. 1 side should be away from me and is closer to the me. Then we will put the finger center of both the corners, okay, and turn like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Opposite same way, put your finger, turn like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
After that, we have to do the upside down. Then this part we have to put over here like this. This parallel part we have to put on this parallel. Then turn it down like this, upside down. Got it? You can see here, this is the both corners. We have to tilt it the both corners like this. We will put here and let's go like this. Then upside down. This corner and this corner we will bend it like this. And we will make it for insert here. Then the napkin fold would be ready. This is Vishap mat. The napkin fold is Vishap mat. Napkin fold is cast form. Again we have to take the square napkin. Then we have to make it 1 into 2. Then again you have to make it square like this. Square and then square. Got it? And after that, what you have to do, you can see here, this is 1 slide, 2, 3, 4, right? And here you can see just 1. We will put it like this and make it triangle. Again, do the upside down like this, because you have to get the more sides of the napkin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Then we have to hold the both corner like this, put inside and make it like this. Then you have to sleeve 1 by 1 on each corner of the shell that you have prepared. If there is starch, what will happen? Size will hold. Right? This is Costco. The name of the napkin is Costco. Double candle. The name of the napkin is double candle. There is a 4 corner of the napkin. We will start rolling from one corner to end the corner. Like this. We have to roll it out. We have to roll it like this till the end of the corner. You can see here. We will roll the napkin like this. Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to put it like this. And you will put into the fiber rolls. This is how the double candle is made. Prepare the Chinese fan fold napkins. Generally, it is used in Chinese specialty restaurant. Generally, it is used in Chinese specialty restaurant. Again, you have to do the half. We have to make a half of the napkin, and it's a 1 corner and 2 corner, right? we have to take at least 1 inch plus size to fold, then make it zigzag upside down like this, then again like this. Got it? It is visible to everyone, I think. Clear? Then upside down, then turn from the center like this, and we have to take this part and we have to put into this corner. Then it is prepare the Chinese fan. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This way you can prepare the Chinese fan. Pocket fold. Chicken. How we can make a pocket fold? Again, we have to make a square, then half. After half, again we have to make a square like this. Chicken. And remember the point. There is a multiple cells 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then what we have to do? We have to insert one part inside the napkin like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Again, next part with leaving the space 1/2 inch, 1 inch around. Then again leaving the space 1 inch, similar like stairs. Similar like stairs, or you can say wave. You can make 1, 2, 3 waves. The last one you have to leave it like this. You have to leave as it is. Then what we have to do? We have to do upside down like this, and 1/2 inch we turn it like this. With another corner we will put this into on it. Then put the upside down. So this is how we place spoons and fork, knife, and another spoons. This is known as pocket fold and cutlery fold as well. This is also known as cutlery fold. Next napkin fold is cone, right? For going to make a cone, we have to make it square then half like this. And this is very easiest napkin. Second, 2 sides in right hand side, 1 side in left hand side. Left hand side will come like this. Okay. And this corner you have to touch here. Hold it like this. Okay. Then you will got 1, 2, 3, 4 shell. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shell you will get here. Okay. You have to make it equal by folding opposite. Chicken. Then you have to hold like this and the cone fold. This is how the cone fold is.